Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be unboxing my Mannequin Head. I always wanted one of these from ever since, and yes, finally. So I will be showing you guys and tell you guys what I think. Comes in this white box. So right, and on it has 100% human here. So let's see. I'm so excited. I always wanted one of these, and finally, oh my god, here we go. Going to okay. Oh my god, she's cute. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, I dropped this. So it comes with this. I think it's the stand thingy. Okay, so let me open this first. Alright, so my god. Alright, so I don't know if I can practice makeup on this. I'm not sure. Alright, so it looks like this. It feels natural. It feels nice actually. I really like it. The length is okay for me. I'm okay with this length. It's nice. So I'm excited. Oh my god. I really like it. So the parting, that is what I'm looking forward to. So let's see. I'm a comb. So I'm going to comb that up like so. Oh my god. Oh my god. So it's nice. It's like I'm coming through a natural hair. Comb drop. So look at that. It's like I'm coming in a natural hair. It's really nice. It's nice. I like the length. It's okay. Okay, let's see about the parting. Okay guys, this is the parting. I really like it. I really like everything about this. I like the hair, I like the length. It's flowy. It's really nice, and I'm so excited to practice on my mannequin. So I'm going to name her Jay. My name is Jody, and so I'm just gonna name her Jay. She's cute. That's it. So it comes with this as well. So, open it and show you guys what is inside. So alright, so it comes with, I think it's 3. So this is like to screw it on a desk, just to support your mannequin. So it's like this, like something you can actually clamp on a desk. So that will be very helpful to keep the mannequin in place, you know, when you're doing sewing or braid or anything like that. These, I think it's for the stand thing. So this is what they normally screw onto the stand, and you put this into the mannequin like so, and screw it on the stand. That's it. I really like everything about it, and I'm really excited. You know, I have some things in mind that I do want to practice, and I wish to get it really soon. Like the invisible braids, like the invisible cornrows. I'm really practicing that because I really want to get that. I'm really excited, you guys, and I'm happy because I always wanted one of these from ever since. And finally, oh my god, I'm excited. Okay, guys, so I enjoyed doing this video today, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And if you wish for me to do more of this video, you can leave a comment in the comment section down below. So to enjoy the rest of your day and have yourself a good one. I will see you in my next video. Bye.